Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by gathering the sticker files you'll use. PNGs with transparency work best. Tap the plus import button, then choose images or files to bring assets into Goodnotes 6. Once imported, move items into a sticker album or a dedicated folder so you can access them quickly. Make sure to name groups logically. This saves time when you're building pages. After that, open a notebook, because we'll place and edit stickers on the page next. Now place a sticker on the page and adjust it with Select, pinch to scale, twist to rotate, and drag to reposition. Use the lasso tool to select multiple stickers for group moves or to align them with guides. This speeds layout work. Once stickers are arranged, duplicate repeating elements rather than re-importing. If you need a fixed composition, lock items to prevent accidental shifts. These steps give you precise control and preserve layout. Finish by exporting your page as PDF or high-res PNG. Choose flattening if recipients don't use Goodnotes 6, or keep editable objects when collaborating. Then share via AirDrop, files, or cloud storage, and inspect resolution and transparent backgrounds to ensure quality. If something goes wrong, like a sticker failing to import, first verify the file type and re-export from the source app, remove unusual punctuation from the file name, and restart Goodnotes 6.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.